Hey ladies and gentlemen, it's that time. I want to do a little bit of a review. This is definitely not a sponsor, but it's a Harbor Freight. Let me get you around here. Let me lower you down for one. So, get you down over here this way. So, I've actually got it pulled up over there, so. Let me see if we can, let's see what we can see. Alright, so yeah. Alright, so anyway, that's one of these carts right there. That's a Hall Master, and they got a 500 pound and they got a 1,000 pound. Price is irrelevant. At least to me, that's irrelevant right now for this review. I've had this thing for a while, and I do like to give credit where credit is due. So, that being said, this is a pretty heavy-duty cart. It'll lift more than 1,000 pounds, I can tell you that. The rated capacity may be 1,000, but it'll lift more than that. It is built pretty sturdy. Now, I've noticed there's some good, some bad. As far as the construction overall, it's pretty heavy. I mean, it is. I mean, it is pretty heavy duty. The rubber mat that they supply with it, not worth the hoot. All right, you're gonna want to find something industrial rubber put on top of it, if you care about that. The backside here, where there is no scissor, is pretty sturdy. I mean, you're gonna have a hard time bending that. You're going to have to get way out of its capacity range to bend this. I mean, that will hold up real good. Like I said, I've been using it on engines, transmissions. Well, you've seen it in my videos. I've had it for some time. I can tell you this. The hydraulics are okay. However, let me get you down here. So when you're pumping it, alright, so we're going to pump it up. Alright. Alright, that's fine. But you can really tell if you're trying to go fast, the hydraulics won't keep up. You're not going to get any lift out of it. Whereas you give it time to recover, you're going to get a lot more lift out of it. That's the only downside on it. You know, the hydraulic cylinder is a little bit on the cheap side. Now, a better hydraulic cylinder would be good. You can back up. Sorry about that. If you've got a weight on it, you can really tell the empty part of it, where it didn't fill the reservoir to push the table up. But other than that, you know, this cart has been pretty good. As with everything else, you know, keep that thing, keep the joints and all that good stuff lubricated. I mean, that should go without saying. Material-wise, it's okay. I mean, for the money, it is really okay. You know, I like to do the reviews honest. You know, I like to be upfront and honest about everything. And I've got nothing bad to say about it for the money. You know, yeah, it's not like some of the higher end stuff, but absolutely here, they knocked it out of the park. You know, for what I give for that thing, yeah, they knocked it out of the park, 100%. It's been a valuable tool in the shop. That's the only way that I can really describe it. I can't say anything else about it. And yeah, that's about the long and the short of it. So I just wanted to do this review here and get you my thoughts on it anyway. You know, take that with a grain of salt. You know, I've used this a lot. I mean, engines, transmissions, I've used it a lot. Like, subscribe, comments, suggestions. We'll see you on the next one.